Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Pixieset to send photos. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in pixieset.com, and here I'm in the photo editor. Now here we have your project, so you can see that we're in the photo editor. Here we can see your project, so we have a sample project also, where you can of course go and edit and start editing and do whatever you want with your photo. So there are a ton of things here that you can of course go and do, and of course ton of things that you can of course go and set up. As you can see, you can upload your images, you can do whatever you want here to start editing on this website. Now here, when you of course have the project opened here, you can of course go and click on start editing or start cutting, whatever you want to do with these videos or with these photos. In this case we have a photo. So now when you have the photo ready and you want to go and of course share it, or of course from Pixieset, what you need to of course go and do is go to the top right corner and click on edit photos first. Then of course choose the start photos and everything here and start the edit. Go through all of these, what you want to do with the photo, etc. And then of course the AI styles, you can of course go and apply some presets also, so that you can know what you want to use. When you've done that, here as you can see in the top right corner, we will have the export photos, where you can of course publish to Pixieset, where that is one thing, and you can export locally. And then when you export locally, you can share your photos with the rest of the world. So that's basically what you can actually go and do, and what I prefer to do. Then you can just go and send the people that project that you can of course saved on locally. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.